Digital Marketing Hack Part 1. As a small business owner, we never have enough time to do our marketing properly. Usually, the reason is no time or no money to hire somebody to do it for you. What about if I tell you there is an app that can do most of your digital marketing tasks that you don't have time for or don't like to do yourself? Follow for weekly digital marketing hacks. Whilst you are doing what you love to do and do best, your digital marketing assistant app will capture leads, build a list of potential buyers who visit your website, Facebook, Instagram, or interact through emails and text messages with minimal efforts and manage them all in one place. Automate conversations. Using artificial intelligence, create sales-generating two-way conversation without any human interaction. Get appointments. Team calendar to get scheduled. Turn on the automated appointment reminders and get sales. Manage and close deals. The state-of-the-art dashboard works as a sales pipeline. Know exactly who to contact first, when to contact them next, how much that sale is worth, and automate the whole process. Capture reviews. You can't just lose customers from bad reviews. You can lose them for having no reviews too. Our smart software will capture and only publish a review to Google or Facebook as long as it's a 4.5 star or higher. Use pre-filled questions or add your own to the drag and drop unlimited survey builders. Easily create a form that collects, qualifies, and segment your contacts. Get referrals. An unhappy customer into even more new customers with a one-click template. Automatically send text message that gets happy customer to spread the word. In the past 12 months, how much did you leave on the table because you did not have enough time to generate new leads or follow them up? Or are you too shy to ask for referrals and online reviews? Well, this ends now. Let your digital assistant do it for you and get more new customers, spending less time at your marketing. If you want a digital marketing assistant like that, go to
boostyai.com